including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 8 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 11 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from German Valley to near Dixon to near Prophetstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Davis Junction, Foreston, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw, Lost Nation, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Creston, Lindenwood, and Monroe Center. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Sauk Valley College, and White Pine State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.